In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Figma slides presentation from scratch. Let's dive right in. First off, we're going to navigate to the Figma website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're in, take a moment to get familiar with the Figma dashboard, which you can see on the left side of your screen. This area acts as your central hub, allowing you to easily manage your projects and explore the different features that Figma offers. It's a good idea to get comfortable with this layout, as it's where you'll be doing most of your navigation. Now, let's focus on the drafts section. You simply have to hover over it and then click the add button that appears. From the options provided in the drop-down menu, you're going to select slides. It's straightforward, but an essential step to get us started on our presentation journey. A new window will open up, showcasing a wide array of slide templates. Figma provides an impressive selection tailored for various purposes and styles, whether you're preparing a business pitch or a school project. Feel free to explore these options at your leisure. They offer a great foundation if you're looking for some creative inspiration. At this point, you'll find you have two primary options. You can either begin with a pre-built outline or start from scratch. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's opt for a fresh start by choosing the scratch option. With that done, your first slide will pop up on the screen. Typically, this slide is where your presentation title will go. Click on the text box provided and type in your presentation title, along with a brief description to set the stage for your topic. This introduction is key to capturing your audience's attention and establishing the tone for the rest of your presentation. When you're ready to add more slides, locate and click on the New Slide button. You'll be presented with a variety of template options. Each template is highly customizable, allowing you to tweak the design and content to perfectly align with your presentation style. But if you prefer to start with a completely blank canvas, simply click the small plus icon next to the New Slide option to add an empty slide to your deck. And just like that, you've created your very first Figma Slides presentation. It's a simple yet powerful tool equipped with a multitude of customization options. So take the time to explore, experiment, and really make it your own. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your creativity. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Figma tips and design tutorials.